Tanisha, and as you know, today is my last class, and I want to share my experience about all about my 1 month experience. And first of all, I would like to thanks to sir to giving me opportunity to join this advanced batch. I really like this batch and also enjoy it. And I never thought while the time coming to for this coaching, and I will be very feel excited to attend the classes. And I will never expect that the sir has selected me to join the advanced batch, because I didn't thought so about myself, and enough not think that I'm enough capable to stand behind the podium, because whenever I come to podium, I feel like my heart jump out in my hand, and my leg got shivering, and that's the fear. That's the fear I always face that, and I be there. I never come on a podium, even in my school, even not in my college. And whenever it's a time to in my college, if the seniors to call me for intro, that the I forgot half of line, and just because of stage fear. Here the total 100 people are present, and I forgot the half of my speech, and that's the thing happened to me. And even when I was in my KB, and someone told me about to join assembly program, performing an assembly program. That day I don't went to school. Then that day I don't join the school. Just because of my fear. And that's the really thing I faced a lot for till until. That's the really thing I faced always, the fear of stage. And lastly, I would there's a story very interesting to join this batch, join this coaching. I searched on Google about best spoken class who taught very well English. So that's lots of coaching name are coming, and I saw sir 9-year experience. That's why I firstly come here and ask about sir that's the problem, this problem. Sir told sir, then that day sir called me on stage and speak about yourself. And that day I really feel nervous about myself, because really my right leg is shivering on that day. And my younger brother also suggests me to join this coaching, because he is also attaining this batch 1 to 2 year back, I thought so. And I talk about batchmates, and they are really good, because I really enjoy their company, because they are really such a best. I think best they are, because they are even good at their English, not even good at their English, or also best at their, I think, their academics, because they are I pause कर दीजिए एक मिनट. I talk about Soumya because I really like that person, because he is really resilient. When she came to podium, I feel like those who questioning her, they jump out the podium and she beat them. I really feel about about her. And I really liked her speech. His speech I really liked about her speech, because from day one I listen their speech. He are really good at their English. And if I talk about importance in English, I don't realize before even realize past 2-3 years, because I'm not even practice about my English, because those sector right now I am present in very much required of English, just because of in front of interviewer, and everybody present should present there. They expect you to know about English, and you speak very well, and answering the question in English. They expected you, even you are not capable to speak in English and answering in English, they will directly reject you. That's the truth, because when I giving my interview, TNT interview, they are directly said, seniors directly said told me that you should improve your skill and you should focus on your communication skill, because that the fifth year, with fifth semester come, you will face too much difficulties about and very much difficulties into acquiring the any internship for further study. That's I realized, and my mother told you to. You are also here for 1 month. Join some classes just because to remove your stage fear, and even 2 to 3 lines, even capable to say to 2 to 3 lines capable to say in English. That's enough. That's enough. Now, my mother told this much only, and now I feel that I am capable to see 2 to 3 lines easily, and I am I feel like I feel less feared about now, less fear, because from day one to now I feel the changes in myself, and that's a visible change I saw in myself, and I also practiced behind the mirror, because I need to improve myself. That's all. That's all. And I think who are very close to. I think Mahi is she is very close to me, because we both go to home with same Toto and go for few days, and that I feel she is very close to me. And upcoming plan, I think after English I have to tackle my coding skills. I have to tackle my coding school and work on coding skills. That's the upcoming plan, because after that my fifth semester started, and I have to focus on my interviews, and my in that I need coding things, and also need in communication skills, and I think that much less amount of that much kami I can fulfill in in this few months I can make up this. I feel like that. And lastly, I would like to say that you all are amazing, and that's the best platform. I think that's the best platform to learn English, because sir enthusiasm or directly proportional to students, because sir are interested and enthusiastic to teach their student, then student also feel motivated and enthusiastic to learn. That's the I think really good for that coaching, because in Muzaffarpur I never see any coaching who taught like them. And thank you so much, sir, to giving me opportunity to join this batch.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.